Did a 911 call lead to the death of a 16-year-old baseball star from the South Bay? Well, tonight his parents are suing over what a 911 operator did and didn't say. CBS 2's Cruz is live in Torrance with that 911 call. Crystal.
Hi, Pat. Yeah, we have the call. We also have the suit filed just yesterday blaming several people for Jesse's death that happened right out here on this street a year ago. It's been a year since 16-year-old high school baseball player Jesse Esforts was killed in a three-car crash in Torrance. Deputies say Tung Ming was chasing after suspected hit-and-run driver Daryl Hicks. Both drivers are accused of running a red light and smashing into Jesse's car. Ming called 911 moments before the wreck.
He's still running, chasing him.
Okay, give me the license plate on the vehicle.
I can't really see. Let me get close.
The 911 operator asked Ming for the license plate 3 times.
Is there any way you can get a license plate on the vehicle? Because as soon as you can, I want you to stop chasing. Hello?
That's the sound of the crash. Attorney Robert Clayton says he filed a lawsuit on behalf of Jesse's family, suing both drivers and LA County, who oversees the Sheriff's Department and 911 operators.
Any one of the actors, if they had done the right thing, Jesse Esforts is still alive.
Last year, the Sheriff's Department told us there was no indication that the driver was following the vehicle in an unsafe manner. The caller sounded calm given the hit and run he had just been involved in and was relaying necessary information. Clayton says Jesse's family wants changes made within the department.
Implement better policies and procedures. They'll better train their employees. They'll better supervise their employees so this type of incident won't happen again.
And late tonight, we spoke to Jesse's mother. She says she's still grieving. And to make matters worse, the crash happened within a few minutes of their home, so she probably drives by this all the time, making it hard, definitely, for her to heal. I'm Crystal Cruz, live in Torrance tonight. I'll send it back to you in the studio.